Welcome to the next video of factorization and defactorization formula. In previous video we had seen the defactorization formula and example based on defactorization formula. In today's video we are going to see factorization formula. Now, what is factorization? So factorization means converting sum or difference into product form. Factorize means converting in product form. So the left hand side is given in sum or difference form, and from sum or difference we are converting that into multiplication form. That is known as a factorization formula. So just opposite of defactorization. Okay, so we can derive first formula from first defactorization formula only. Okay, so the first defactorization formula is 2 sin a cos b. So 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So we are writing first defactorization formula, and in that we are going to substitute a plus b as c. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to substitute this a plus b as c and a minus b as d. Okay, a plus b, once again see, first I have written defactorization formula. The very first defactorization formula is 2 sin a cos b, that is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. In that what I am doing, I am substituting sin a plus b, only a plus b. I am substituting a plus b as c and a minus b as d. Okay, so what I will get, sin c plus sin d. Okay, equal to, okay, I am substituting right hand side now. So I am writing this right hand side first. So right hand side will be sin c plus sin d, right? That is equal to 2 sin a cos b, right? Now this a will be what? As I converted this a plus b as c and a minus b as d, now I have to find a in terms of c and d. So for that what will I do? See, a plus b is equal to c, right? And a minus b is equal to d. These are two equations. So by adding 2 and 3, equation 2 and 3, by adding, what will I get? B minus b cancel. So 2a is equal to c plus d, right? Sorry, c plus d. 2a is equal to c plus d. So 2a is equal to c plus d means a is equal to c plus d upon 2, right? I have converted a in terms of c and d. So I will substitute a as c plus d upon 2. Clear? Now again see, when I add these two equations, a plus b is c and a minus b is d, when I add these two equations, what will I get? 2a is equal to c plus d. That means a is equal to c plus d upon 2. When I subtract these two equations, right? After subtraction, what I will get? Minus, here it will be a plus sign, here it will be a minus sign. So a minus a cancel. So 2b is equal to c minus d. And 2b is equal to c minus d means b is equal to c minus d upon 2. Okay. So from first formula of defactorization, I am substituting a plus b as c, a minus b as d, and then first I am adding these two equations. By adding these two equations, I will get a as c plus d upon 2. Then I will subtracting these two equations. by subtraction I will get b is equal to c minus d upon 2. Okay, so I know the value for a, right? A in terms of c and d. I know b in terms of c and d. Then I know a plus b is c. Then I know a minus b is d, right? So after substituting all these values in this equation, instead of a plus b, what I will substitute? C. In a minus b, what I will substitute? D. Then a is what? C plus d upon 2. Then b is c minus d upon 2. Okay, so by substituting all this, what I will get? Sin c plus sin d. Okay, this side. First I am writing right hand side. Sin c plus sin d, that is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d, okay, into cos c minus d upon 2, right? Sin c plus sin d. Taking this right hand side first, I am getting sin c plus sin d, that is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. Okay, this is the first factorization formula. Okay, once again, substitute a plus b as c, a minus b as d. Then a will be a c plus d upon 2 and b will be c minus d upon 2. Okay, so by substituting all these terms, we get a factorization formula. So factorization formula, first, see, this is the defactorization formula. So we'll take right hand side first. So in this we are substituting a plus b as c, a minus b as d. Then a is equal to c plus d upon 2 and b is equal to c minus d upon 2. Okay, so first factorization formula will be sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d, that is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2. एक ही जगह पे पुट करना है c plus d upon 2 into cos b is c minus d upon 2. Okay, then second factorization formula, sin c minus sin d, right? Sin c minus sin d, that is equal to 2 cos a, means 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin b, means sin c minus d upon 2. Okay, third defactorization formula is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, means cos a plus b is c plus cos a minus b is d, that is equal to 2 cos a, means 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into cos b, means cos c minus d upon 2. Okay, fourth formula, cos a minus b, means cos c, right? Fourth formula, cos c, a plus b is c, so that will be a minus cos c, then plus cos d, right? It is cos c minus cos c plus cos d, that is equal to minus, I am taking this minus side, this side. Okay, so that is equal to what I am writing, see, in fourth formula, this is what? This is cos d minus cos c, right? By taking minus sign common, what I am getting? Cos c minus cos d. Okay, and I am taking this minus sign in left hand side. So what I will get? Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. Okay. So factorization formula is cos C minus cos D, that is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. Okay. If I take minus sign inside, okay, I am not taking minus sign here, I am taking this minus sign with this term. Okay. So by multiplying minus, this will be a 2 sin C plus D as it is into sin D minus C upon 2. Okay, once again what I am doing, see, this is what, here this part is cos D minus cos C. Okay, so in this I am taking minus common, so I will get cos C minus cos D. Okay, then I will take this minus sign in left hand side, so it will be a cos C minus cos D, that is equal to minus in left hand side into sin A is C plus D upon 2 into sin B is C minus D upon 2. Now I am taking this minus sign inside. Why? See, if it is minus 2 into 3, right, then I can say answer is minus 6 only, na, right? So minus 2 into 3, this can be written as minus 2 into 3, or it can be written as 2 into minus 3, right? I can take this minus sign either with 2 or 3, right? With any one of number I can take this minus sign. So similar rule I am applying here. I am taking this minus sign with this sign. Okay. So what I will get? That is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2, and this minus sign will go inside. Why inside? Because minus sin theta is equal to sin minus theta, right? From negative angle formula, I can take this minus side inside, right? So that will be a sin. Now, when I multiply C minus D with minus, then what I will get? Minus C plus D upon 2, right? Minus C plus D. So that means D minus C. Got it? First I am taking minus sign common, taking minus here, and then I am taking this minus sign with this sign. So minus sin theta will be sin theta. So this minus sign will go inside the bracket, and after multiplying C minus D with minus, it will be a D minus C. Okay. So these are the 4 factorization formula based on defactorization formula. Okay, so ultimately your factorization and defactorization formula is totally based on compound angle formula. Okay, from compound angle formula we had derived the defactorization formula, and from defactorization formula we got the factorization formula. Okay. So with this I am concluding this video. So thank you students.